Imagine a world where a deadly virus like Rift Valley fever strikes suddenly, affecting livestock and humans alike, and sparking urgent debates on how we respond, especially during outbreaks. This isn't just a health scare, it's a call to action for global collaboration. But here's where it gets controversial, balancing the need for rapid vaccine trials with ethical concerns during active epidemics. Dive in to explore the groundbreaking efforts to tackle this threat head-on. You're tuned into the latest from the World Health Organization, WHO, where innovation meets necessity in the fight against viral outbreaks. While we're on the topic, it's worth noting that in February 2025, Uganda's Ministry of Health, alongside WHO and partners, kicked off the first-ever vaccine trial for Ebola from the Sudan species. This milestone highlights the progress in tackling hemorrhagic fevers, but today, our focus shifts to Rift Valley Fever RVF, a mosquito-borne illness that can cause severe symptoms in humans, including fever, hemorrhagic fever, and even death, while devastating animal populations and economies. For beginners, think of RVF as a zoonotic disease, meaning it jumps from animals to people, often in regions like sub-Saharan Africa and the Arabian Peninsula. Recent outbreaks in Senegal and Mauritania have underscored the urgency, prompting experts to unite. Under the umbrella of the Phenuiviridae Collaborative Open Research Consortium, CORC, a network dedicated to advancing research on related viruses, this upcoming consultation zeroes in on crafting a core clinical trial protocol specifically for RVF vaccines deployed amidst outbreaks. To make this clearer, core protocols are standardized frameworks that ensure consistency and speed in trials, much like a shared roadmap that different countries can follow without reinventing the wheel. This open forum will assemble RVF specialists, officials from impacted nations, and experts in clinical trials, all collaborating to create a unified blueprint for rolling out RVF vaccine studies in affected areas. Building on the momentum, this event follows the Urgent Scientific Consultation on Rift Valley Fever RVF research priorities, which took place on October 14th. You can catch a replay of that session via this link. Recording https://JVC/SPGUPJMXVN_MUNTVP_ODMHKC_WFCABPG15QG_DYOJC on RBTIB VETS ZGJL start time equals passcode equals C2I5RW. And this is the part most people miss: how these discussions evolve from broad priorities to actionable protocols. The primary goals here are to delve into intricate design aspects that can propel the assessment of RVF vaccines forward using these core protocols. Think of it as brainstorming the nuts and bolts, how to structure trials that are both effective and adaptable to real-world crises. What can we anticipate from this gathering? A comprehensive outline of potential primary endpoints, the main measures of success, like vaccine efficacy rates, secondary endpoints, additional indicators, such as safety profiles, and exploratory ones, deeper insights into how the vaccine works in the body. We'll also see proposals for various trial designs, including innovative options that incorporate immunological markers, biological signs of immune response, to gauge effectiveness without always relying on full-scale infection prevention. Plus, they'll refine critical research gaps, filling in the blanks to better evaluate how well these vaccines perform against RVF. Keep in mind, this session is laser-focused on study design elements and won't cover broader operational facets, such as logistical setups, day-to-day execution, community involvement strategies, funding sources, or training programs. It's all about the science and structure at its core. Stay tuned for the agenda, which will be shared here soon. In the meantime, explore more on this topic through whose resources. Home, https://www.who.int. Newsroom, https://www.who.in/news-room. Events, https://www.who.in/news-room/events. Detail: https://www.who.in/news-room/events/detail. Consultation on Rift Valley Fever RVF research. https://www.who.into/newsroom/events detail. Consultation on Rift Valley Fever RVF research. Copyright symbol credits. Join us virtually at this Zoom link: https://who-e.zoom.us/j/912279975037. Now, let's stir the pot a bit. Conducting vaccine trials during outbreaks raises eyebrows. Some argue it's essential for timely protection, like testing fire extinguishers in the midst of a blaze, while others worry it might prioritize urgency over thorough safety checks. What do you think? Is rushing to deploy vaccines ethically sound, or should we always wait for calmer times? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Do you agree with this approach, or does it spark concerns about risks versus rewards? We'd love to hear your take.